Want to change the name that comes up when connecting to your iPhone's personal hotspot? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your personal hotspot name on iPhone. Now let's get started. To change your personal hotspot name, you'll need to change the name of your device. To do this, open your settings. Select General. Tap About. Then tap Name. Type in what you want to name your device. This will also be the new name of your personal hotspot. Tap Done to save. That's all it takes to change your personal hotspot name on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.